As part of the CGR Regional Program for Sustainable Agricultural Development in Central Asia and Caucasus, International Center for Agricultural Research in Dry Areas, ICARDA, conducts research towards increasing agricultural productivity and improving livelihoods in rural areas. Created with the support of ICARDA, this video is aimed to familiarize with the basic concepts of the Agricultural Innovation Platform, featuring various stakeholders involved in the production, processing and consumption of agricultural products. This is a farmer. His name is Bazarbay. In his farm he has cows, sheep, chickens and dog. He also grows potatoes. Part of his harvest Bazarbay sells in the local market, while the other part he leaves for his family. Bazarbay says, even though this year water for irrigation was scarce, the harvest was still rich, because I used new potato varieties and improved irrigation technologies. This is Aynagul. She is a chairman of the Association of Farmers of the district. Bazarbay is a member of this association. Aynagul informed the association about the new measures of state support for farmers, so Bazarbay was able to get his first loan, which allowed him to expand production and increase revenues. And this is Satwaldi. He is the chairman of the Water Users Association. Water users are engaged in farming and irrigation of water. All of them are potential members of the Water Users Association who combine resources for the operation and maintenance of irrigation and drainage networks. At their meetings, they often discuss efficient use of irrigation water. But in order to make good decisions, they must have information and knowledge about new technologies and methods of irrigation. This is Bulat. He is a scientist who studies the issues of improving the efficiency of irrigation water use and other resources at the field level. New irrigation technologies help farmers reduce costs and improve crop yields. This is Gulzada. She works at the Rural Advisory Services Center. Her job is to provide support to farmers through distribution of information and knowledge about modern technologies, new and improved crop varieties, and animal breeds. By the way, Bulat and other scientists share their research outputs with Gulzada. This way, at the beginning of the year, Bulat and Gulzada helped Bazarbay to install and use drip irrigation technology at the site where he grows potatoes. To increase yields of potato, Gulzada also invited Timur, potato specialist, who advised Bazarbay on a new potato variety best suited to the conditions of this farm. Barno, a specialist on plant protection, has prepared a brochure with recommendations on potato pests. The brochure was distributed to Bazarbay at the Farmers Advisor Services Center and helped him to save the harvest and avoid losses. This is Yusuf. He works for a company that provides farmers with necessary fertilizers, chemicals and seeds. Yusuf also explained farmers how to use them. This is a veterinarian. Her name is Aisha. She periodically inspects livestock of farmers. She knows that Bazarbay cows and sheep are healthy because he takes veterinary and preventive measures on time. Data on all cows, sheep, goats and other domestic animals in the area are located in the computer database of the District Veterinarian Inspection Department and is constantly updated. This is Holmirza, neighbor of Bazarbay. He has a truck. He transports Bazarbay's harvest to the local market. In the market, Nortoy is waiting for him to buy potatoes of Bazarbay wholesale and then sell them at retail. Part of the profits from the sale of potatoes, Bazarbay keeps at his account at a local commercial bank where Umida works, where last year she registered a loan issued by the bank to Bazarbay so that he could buy cattle and high-quality seed potatoes for his farm. Chairman of the district administration, Nazarbay Hakimov, is responsible for the implementation of the national agricultural and food policy in the region. At one of the last district meetings, he praised Bazarbay for producing a bountiful harvest of potatoes, and the villagers were very happy with the quality and taste of the potatoes. All the people that we mentioned and who interact in the process of production, processing and consumption of agricultural products are actors of the agricultural innovation system. As we can see, each participant in this process can contribute to the innovation system, taking into account their own interests. But this requires proper coordination of stakeholders, which contribute to the solution of problems and common goals. This formal or informal organization of interaction between the various participants is called innovation platform.